Is your AT&T Uverse or DirecTV Stream cable box stuck on the please wait screen or endlessly restarting? This frustrating issue is called a boot loop, and it's become increasingly common with older AT&T hardware. Here's what a typical AT&T cable box looks like. When working normally, it boots up smoothly and displays your TV content. But when caught in a boot loop, it gets stuck in an endless restart cycle. A boot loop shows several telltale symptoms. You might see the please wait message frozen on screen, the AT&T or Uverse logo that never disappears, a blank screen with just the power light on, or partial loading screens that keep resetting over and over. Let me show you what this boot loop cycle looks like. The cable box tries to start up, gets partway through the process, then restarts and tries again, creating an endless loop. Now let's understand what causes these boot loops. There are 5 main culprits that can trigger this frustrating problem. First, firmware corruption from incomplete or failed software updates. Second, aging hardware, where components like hard drives and memory start failing after years of use. Third, power supply issues with inconsistent electricity delivery. Fourth, signal problems from poor cable connections or weak signal strength. And fifth, overheating caused by dust accumulation that leads to thermal shutdowns. This problem has gotten worse recently. Firmware updates pushed by AT&T in late 2024 and early 2025 have inadvertently caused more boot loop incidents, especially affecting legacy Uverse equipment that's over 3 years old. Understanding these boot loop causes is the first step toward fixing the problem. In the next section, we'll walk through specific troubleshooting steps you can try to get your AT&T cable box working again. When your AT&T cable box is stuck in a boot loop, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try. We'll start with the simplest solutions and work our way up to more advanced techniques. The first method to try is a soft reset. This is the simplest approach with about a 40% success rate. Unplug the power cord from your cable box for 30 seconds. Then reconnect it and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the box to fully boot up. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset using your remote control. Hold down both the power button and channel up button simultaneously for 10 seconds, then release and wait for the box to restart. This method has about a 25% success rate. The factory reset has the highest success rate at about 60%, but it will erase all your settings and preferences. You can access this through the menu system by going to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Alternatively, if your cable box has a physical reset button, hold it for 15 seconds while the box is powered on. Sometimes the issue is related to signal problems. Try disconnecting the coaxial cable from your cable box, wait 2 minutes, then reconnect it and power cycle the box. This method has about a 20% success rate, but can resolve signal-related boot loops. For advanced users, there are 2 additional methods. Safe Mode Boot can be accessed by holding the info and down arrow buttons during power on to clear NVRAM. Firmware Recovery Mode requires holding record and play buttons while powering on. These methods should only be attempted by experienced users, as they may void your warranty. Remember to try these methods in order, starting with the soft reset first, since it's the least disruptive. If none of these methods work, contact AT&T support for hardware replacement, as the issue may require professional intervention or new equipment.